kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're going to be making egusi pepper soup, and you don't want to miss that now. So before we jump right into the preparation, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you love, and let's eat together. So to make egusi pepper soup, you need melon, and we need to toast the melon till it is a bit brown. Egusi pepper soup is similar to our normal Nigerian pepper soup, but the difference is the addition of egusi. Okay, that is just the difference between the both recipe. So go ahead to toast this till it is brown. Make sure it does not get burned. And this is after toasting, and this is what I have. So I'll set this aside. The list of the ingredients is my beef, pepper soup spice, water snail, onion, crayfish powder, Caesar seed, and I'll be using the fresh one, and this is my salt, toasted melon, house skin, chicken, roughly blended habanero and bell pepper, my seasoning powder. Use any seasoning powder of choice. So I'll transfer the toasted melon into my blender, and this is my Caesar seed. I'll be using the fresh one, and I add in water to blend. So I'm gonna blend this till it is very smooth. Okay, so this is after blending. We'll set this aside, and in my clean pan I'll be adding in my protein. Use any protein of choice. Next is my chopped onion, salt, seasoning powder, and I'll add in water. So we'll cook this till it is soft. If you are using a tougher meat, cook that first and then add the less soft. Okay, I'll add in my crayfish powder, my pepper soup spice, and I'll stir everything together. So I'll go in with my blended melon, and I'll stir everything to combine. Remember, this is pepper soup, okay, so it's not supposed to be thick. I'll add in more water, and I'm going to cook this till it is fully cooked. Remember, if you don't cook it properly, it might disturb your stomach, so you cook it till it is properly cooked. So cover this and allow to cook, and after a few minutes I came back to it, and it's sticking to my pan, so I need to stir everything together. Next, I'll be adding in my water snail. Use any protein of choice, and to your taste, also to your preference. I'll be adding in my chicken. I'll stir. We need to stir this soup. We are stirring. Okay, so stir everything together. So we'll cook more, and now you see the oil settling on it. So next, I'll add in my house skin, my roughly blended habanero and bell pepper. I needed it to be rough, so I'll be seeing it. Okay, so I'll add in my chopped onion. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate. Thank you for your support. I found out that the soup was still a bit thick, so I added in more water. Don't forget it's egusi pepper soup, so we'll add in more water. So after this, we'll cook till it is you see the oil settling on it. You know that it's ready to accept more ingredients. So I'll add in my ugu. You can use any vegetable of choice, either basil leaf, spinach. I learned of beletete. So when I went to ask, I couldn't get it, so I went ahead to use ugu. So we stir everything and cook for a few minutes, and it is ready. You can leave it plain, or you add vegetables to it, and the taste was so amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.